So based on our best swing trading scanner, so we find some 4 stocks today. That scanner which filtered the swing opportunity at very lower level. Some of the stocks, the LIC, Jindal and Power, Jindal Steel and Power and ICICI in container corporations. So by using this particular scanners, we are able to find out the lower level breakout. So by positional one, so swing trading, which is available on my premium group. Okay, so this video I'm going to discuss about the swing trading scanner in Chartink. So that given some stocks and what is the past, how that scanner works in the past, and we find some stocks today. So let me check how this is going to give you some good result over the period of time. So this is my premium scanner, which available on my paid group only. So if you wish to take the scanner, it is available on my premium group. And one more opportunities in our website, that courses in advanced option strategy. So now you get an opportunity to get a 20% discount up to 15th of August. Due to that independence, we are making that promo code. So whatever the course you are going to take on premium courses, that you will be getting 20% offer by using this particular promo code to get all my premium that paid things also, this charting scanner. So you can apply all my premium courses, and this promo code you can use to get 20% offer on my premium courses. Okay, so we have created already this particular SWD scanner. So those who are my premium group, they know that. And some of the stock like LIC, and this is not for an intraday, and it is a purely a positional one. And you can see after the downtrend, so by using this particular scanner, we are to find opportunity at a lower level and trend reversal one which we are looking by using this particular scanner. So the market which almost corrected from the top, so recent high is somewhere around exactly from that level, so almost 24% down from the top level. So we are finding, the scanner is finding the opportunity at the almost lower level from 25%, near about 25% correction. And this is what an not an 100%, but we have an opportunity. There is a trend reversal maybe happen from that lower point. So that is the main idea. So where I keep my stop loss, if you are looking at the recent swing, and this candle low is the least from the last this particular range bound day, 4 days consecutive range bound after this big correction. So this is what an area where we are going to find out buy opportunity. Okay, so maybe how I can look for a buy opportunity whenever it breaks the high of this particular day. So maybe we are expecting from 649.15, that would be the higher level, and this particular stocks 650 almost, and maybe that candle low is somewhere around 626. That is the lower level. That may be a swing low, and comparing to this previous low, this is happening on the election result day. After that is keep on rallying, and from that level some consolidation and correction. So we are expecting some reversal. This is what the stock which filtered by the scanners, we have already created some conditions. Based on that conditions, it is showing you maybe if it is breaks tomorrow, or even it can be going lower also. But this is what an opportunity which present at the lower level. We are expecting the trend reversal after the correction can be happen on those stocks. So let me track the stock for tomorrow onwards. And Jindal Steel, let me check Jindal Steel what is happening. And 4 stocks which filtered, that may be a good opportunity. And this is also from that point almost 1096, it is keep on lower, but there is a 2 times it tried in this point and again it correction, and this is a double bottom, something like that, which is happening here. But based on the scanner, so we are simply finding out high of this particular candle to break swing opportunity. The recent swing low should be a stop loss for this. This is also be after the downtrend we are finding an opportunity, maybe expecting upside, which we are looking in this particular stocks based on the scanner. Okay, so this is the second one, and third one is a ICICI Bank and Concur. Let me check Concur. This is what also be there, and it was also making a hammer kind of pattern at the bottom, and this candle will be the lower level. So we have to focus this for high of this candle to break around 983.5, and maybe the stop loss is around 953. So near about 30 points risk which is involved in this trade. So maybe if it is breaks the level, we can go for, and the next one is ICICI Bank based on the scanner. ICICI Bank. Yes, this is also be the same. And from that level, how much it is corrected from the top after this election result, almost 8%. So from this 8% lower, so we have an opportunity maybe around 1178, and the bottom is somewhere around 1155. So near about 30 rupees. So it is an equity. We are going to look for a long holding, or maybe 1 month or 2 months, because it's a swing one. So after this swing, so where you can see almost three swings are there here. So it is giving you maybe an opportunity. There's maybe one more swing opportunity here. So we are expecting. So maybe this, if it is, then we will be getting some good opportunities in the stocks also. Okay, so how the scanner will works in the past, that we have to check with our backtest result. And the last one which we got it, Bank of Baroda, and 5.8. So this is stock 5.8. Same thing which is happening after that, Bank of Baroda. So we have corrected from the top level. So almost 20%. From that day 5.8, 5th of August, we got an opportunity. So we may be going to focus on trade opportunity about to the 241. Maybe the stop loss on the low and is 231. So near about a 15-point risk, and it went maximum 250 from 241. So some 8 rupees, but it is a swing one. So, but it is still not moved yet. So, if you want to take the backtest results, you will be going for back one. So, IOC, Bank of Baroda, PFC, and Power Grid. This is happening on 6th of the 6th month. So, IOC, let me go for 6th of this month. Sorry, that was an election result day. Yeah, same. That day we have market corrected and some stocks like IOC. But in this case, it is doesn't give you the opportunity, where 160 we are trying, and from the 160 it went up to almost 186. But that doesn't provide you the opportunity. And one more stock, Bank of Baroda, PFC, same Bank of Baroda, that was giving you opportunity. So here is an opportunity. Next day it given to 60, and that was giving you such a good move, that swing move. So almost 10%, and stop loss is 9%. Maybe at least 1:1 it is generated. So almost 10% move. And then second opportunity where we find out recently, that was moving good. And one more stock we find it based on this PFC and Power Grid, the same date after the election day correction, and this was giving you good result. But next day PFC doesn't give you the opportunity, but it was giving you such a nice rally, because the high I'm just looking for, maybe if you are going to break the high by opening next day itself, we may be trying to buy this. But in this case it doesn't give you the level, but it was giving you good movement. And Power Grid, so with the positional ones, I am just taking Power Grid also not given. That was moving in because that is high volatile days. And before to that, let me check some of those particular day. May 13th, we have a lot of stocks. Let me check our random one. So Bata, Reliance. So this is swing one, which is working for a swing trading. 13th May, where you can look at this 13/5 May month. Okay, so there is an opportunity on Reliance, and from that point, from 2,800 it went to 2,982. Maybe the risk is very small, so that was a good swing opportunity where you can able to find the swings. So here is the one, and here is the one, and again maybe this is not a big swing, and now it is coming down. We don't get any swing opportunity at this moment, but this is what an opportunity where we got it, and it was giving you such a good result, and it is a positional one, not for an intraday. Okay, so that you need to understood. And Tata Chemical, HDFC, same day. So maybe if you get a lot of stocks, maybe a reversal we can expect. So here is the 30th May. So from that level 1060, and it went up to 1130, and maybe the stop loss is 1030, 30 rupees risk, and it went to more than 100 plus. So that is a spring one. And finally we'll take for a Gale SBI. Got a lot of stocks which is happening. I think I may be discussing in previous videos. This is what an opportunity. And before election result, from 193 it went up to 233. So that is what a spring opportunity based on the scanner, and this is a scanner which is done by the customized coding. So not available in default by this some of the codings which I used to find out this particular scanner. I'm just using mostly my scanners are customized scanners which I am using a Chartink for a Camarilla and CPR, and even as some oscillators, a lot of scanners which I have created that was available in my premium group. and mostly that scanners are customized one. Okay, so this may be a 4 stocks. You will be finding an opportunity if you have any opportunity to find the breakout one from this swing. You can utilize this stocks also for your positional one. And I hope you enjoyed the sessions, and thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. So if you want to learn more about my strategies and course, the link available in the description, and you can make use of the promo codes to get and lower prices. Thank you so much.